I don't think it is hyperbole to say that there is an attack, there's a war on children going on. Last year, the TEA said 30,000 students left the public education system in Texas to homeschool.
God gave kids to parents to raise and to educate them. You can do it. You're the person that your child needs.
The purpose of the THSC convention is to inspire parents, to give them opportunities to learn, and to help children and families better be equipped to homeschool.
Do not give up. What you're doing is extremely important. You are raising up the next generation of leaders. You are pouring into eternal souls. What you're doing matters.